Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
We're back with another Pokemon break. We got another Paldea Evolved booster box. So far, so good. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright guys, before we open this box, this is the third box out of a case. And the last time we opened the third box in a case, it was the God Blessed box. And this one feels a little, not as fat as the other one, but kind of fat. So, who knows? Maybe it'll happen again. But we're gonna do something different this time, just in case it does. Oh man, I'm gonna tear the box. Look at that. That's never happened. Wow, yeah, it's kind of exploding. So what we're gonna do is put it right there. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn. He'll hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. Dude's got his little hat on. Says he's going to give us a special delivery. Let's see how special it is. Just in case it happens again. Let's keep the cards right there. So here we go. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? Is the box gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Tumbleweed. Fowler's delivery drone. Anything? Love disc. No. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Amateur hour over here. Hopefully it was worth all the fuss just to get in there. Upside down. Mario Leaf. Where's the gold fishing rod? Love disc. Yes. Oh, nice! Yeah! We'll take that. Heck yeah. So blessed. Starting off good. So blessed. Man. Alright, starting off with a good one. Let's keep it going. Elephant. Strudel. Therapeutic energy. Luminous energy. There's like 3 energies in a row. Whoa! Yes! 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 That's it! Pretty sure that's it! Woo! Yes! Yes! Pretty sure that's a good one. Oh, man. Anything else? Wow. So blessed. Just like that, man. So blessed. Oh, man. And remember, every card pull here came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with Paldea Evolved. And you can pull great stuff like this. So blessed. Alright, man. So blessed. Let's keep it going. Boy, these packs, man. Alright, that's like 2 hits in a row, right? Yep. Major League Baseball. Saguaro Cactus. Diego. Marley. There we go. Tinkatuff. Come on, Grusha. New York City. Hariyama. Mewtwo's energy. And Jigglypuffs. Hip Hop. Noibat, Flamigo, Bombardier, always next to each other. Vanitar. Another goth girl. Wigglytuff. Major League Baseball. Great Balls of Fire. Quaxley. Tinkatink. Another goth chick. Tinkaton. Uh-oh, fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? Is the box gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Sandcastle, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, Noivern, another one. Doubling up on all those EXs, that's for sure. Oh, come on. Come on. Her too. Sandcastle. Tinkatink. Oh, man. Electricity. Swami Rob. Tumbleweed. Crazy Nancy, Jackie Nimble, different gothic. Giacomo! Oh, nice! We'll take it. Oh, that's a plain card, but still. Anything else? Nice. So plain like that. Alright, what do we got left? But pretty good right side, even get anything else. Hey, but remember, the majority of stuff was on the right side, and the other one hardly any on the left, remember? Rookidee, Pikachu, Jigglypuff's energy. Diego. Sandcastle. Oh man, it's Tinkaton teasing us. Upside down. Major League Baseball. Tumbleweed. Elephant. Uh-oh. Fire. You know who we're on fire for. Sure. Goth Girl. Orangutan. Fishing Bobber. Oh, there we go. Oh, teasing. Oh, look at that. Cooper Raja. Wow. See that one. Alright, almost pack 17. No John today either. Pinecone. Feedy. Alright, last pack from the right side. Let's get that SIR of that dude. Or the Blessed Carp. Stop calling it the Magic Carp. Call it the Blessed Carp. Electricity. Giraffe. Great Balls of Fire. Pollen. Earthworm Jim. Alright. First pack from the left side. This pack has been staring at us the whole time. Let's see. Let's see why it was staring at us. Major League Baseball. Sandcastle. Ford Taurus. Hip Hop. Oh, nice! Look at that! Woo! So blessed. Look at that, man. Looks really nice. Anything else? No, Obama Snow. Get out of here. Wow, the first pack on the left side. That's the pack they would have put out. Oh man, so blessed. Wow. What should we do? Put that there. Yeah. All right, starting off the left side with a gold. I'm gonna keep going. This wasn't the side that felt fat, it was the other side, but that doesn't mean anything. Mario Leaf. Pikachu. Mushmouth. Oh, yes! Cool! Sweet! The SIR of Quaxwell. Alright, man. So blessed. Anything else? No. Dude, 2 packs. 2 good hits, man. So blessed. Look at that, man. Wow. So what? Is that 2 packs, 3 hits, or is that the second pack? I think it's the second.
Yeah, I think it was the second one.
Alright, so this is the 3rd pack. So 2 packs, 2 hits. Nice ones, too. Keep it going. Electricity. Another Goth Girl. Let me watch. I'll bet you it's Bombardier. Ready? Oh, Great Ball of Fire. Oh, nice! Look at that!
Yeah.
Saguaro Cactus, just like that. Anything else? Oh, that was the last one. I don't know what I was doing. Dude, 3 packs, 3 hits. Dude. Wouldn't that be something if they're all on the left side? So blessed. Wow. Okay, guys, 3 packs in, 3 good hits. Can we go 4 for 4? Jigglypuff's Energy. Elephant. Rookity. Tinkatuff. Another Goth Girl. Anything behind the giraffe? No, okay, so no. Alright, so the hit streak is over. Let's start a new one. Starting with the Blessed Carp. Uh-oh! Fire! Is that hit gonna be fire? You know who we're on fire for. Pinecone. Tankatine. Bombardier. Come on, Dendra. Graffiti. Oh, another one. Hey, another hit, man. That's a lot of hits so far from this side. Alright, picked up another hit. We're gonna get another streak going. God willing. Combi. There we go. Don't even need anything else. Got the best card right there. Giraffe. New York City. Holland. Where's the gold fishing rod? Love this. Sandcastle. Where's the SIR of that dude? Goth Girl. Major League Baseball. Great Balls of Fire. Hip Hop. Come on, Grusha. Tumbleweed. Pinecone. Oh, another one of this dude. Yep. Cutter and Jaden gonna be happy. Got plenty of these. More hits on this side. So got a lot of packs. Got a lot of hits right away on this side. Chien-Pao! Jack be nimble. That's another jump bluff. Start another hit streak. Electricity. Diego. Blessed carp. Earthworm Jim. Mario Leaf. Hip Hop. Benadryl. Anything? Oh, Loki. Alright. Got a lot of hits there, but they all came right away. Let's see if they put them all in the front or what. Uh-oh. This is gonna be the fire hit. You know who we're on fire for. Swami Rob. Nothing. Noibat, Combi, Glimmet, Iono teasing, Ford Taurus, nothing. Good. Oh, yeah, that's good. Anything better? No. Alright. All the hits in the front. We're gonna find out soon. Crazy Nancy. Oh, nice! Okay, we'll take another one of those. Well, not another one. I mean, an SIR, a Special Illustration. You good? Obama snow job. Get out of here. Nice. So blessed. Alright. Let's finish off with a hit streak. How about that? That'd be cool. Very seldom is the last tackle a hit. Uh-oh. Jigglypuff's energy. Goth Girl. Graffiti. There's your fishing rod. Pikachu! Pack 17. No John today. Electricity. Jack the Nimble. Rookity. Pikachu. Quaxwell. Giacomo. Oh, look at that. You know that one yet? I don't know if we got that one yet. Alright, here we go. Last pack. See if there's any last pack blessings. They've been blessed with quite a bunch of stuff in this box. Let's see, one from Row. Pinecone. Tinkatank. Harris Faulkner. Tumbleweed. Oh, nothing. Alright guys, we're back with the recap. Well, it wasn't a God-blessed box, but all our boxes are blessed. But there was a lot of hits in them. So here's what we were blessed with. Another Noivern, another Fortress, another one of these. I don't know if we got that guy before. Haven't got that, so that's new. Didn't have him. Glad to get that. Always nice to get special illustrations. We got 1, 2, 3. Always nice to get a gold. Would have liked to get the special illustration, but we'll always take a gold. This was really nice, guys. So glad to get this. And this is really nice as well. So glad to get this. And remember, every card pulled here came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with Paldea Evolved and everything Pokemon. And you can pull great stuff like this. So we got plenty more Paldea Evolved breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.